There was once a small bird who had just learned to fly. But every time it soared into the sky, it was overwhelmed by fear and would quickly return to the ground. One day the bird met an old, wise eagle who had seen many things in his life. The bird shared its fear of flying. The eagle looked at the bird and said, "The sky doesn't look as high when you're in it. The more you fly, the more you'll realize there's nothing to fear." The little bird took a deep breath, took off again, and this time kept flying. As it soared higher and higher, it began to realize the eagle was right. The sky wasn't as intimidating as it seemed from the ground, and soon the bird embraced the freedom of the sky. The moral: fear can seem overwhelming from below, but once you face it, you'll realize you're capable of more than you thought. Keep going.